Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to show you how to make my favorite smoothie. All you need is bananas, milk, a cup, a smoothie thing, blender, I looked at the name, and a spoon to eat it with. Because it has like clumps, but not really. So, first we're gonna get in some bananas. Banana. That's a fun word to say. Then close it. I'm gonna put it away. Go away. Okay, and then you add like it's brand new, so it's spilling all over the place. Why do you do this to me? Why? Why you do this to me? This is hard. Why are you being mean to me? Technical difficulties. Oh my gosh. Make sure if this happens, you clean up. Make sure it's not brand new. Just try. No waste. Or just pour as fast as you can. That's how much I'm going to use. Because I don't want technical difficulties again. It's like that much. I put this way. And then you put the lid on. Another technical difficulty. Come on, just go over there. Okay. Then you go over here. You're there, you're there. Okay, all good. Wow, I'm just having technical difficulties all the way. Make sure the lid's on. Make sure it's plugged in. And I've got all these buttons. And I'm gonna press smoothie. Make sure you hold it down. I should have warned you to turn down your volume. See, it's clumpy, but if you don't like clumpy, I like clumpy. Just a little bit of clumpy. Pour it out. I like a lot. then go ahead eating it. So good.
Hey. That's it for today. Don't forget to wash your dishes, kids. Your parents will be so happy.